Hi everyone! In today's video I will be showing you how to make this treble stitch. It's a very nice tall stitch. It's very similar to the double crochet, just a little bit longer. And I am using today Premier acrylic yarn with the size 5mm crochet hook. So I will just take this apart and we will get started. Isn't this pretty? It's pretty yellow. I like this color. Reminds me of spring. Spring flowers. Can't wait. Love it. I want to make lots and lots of flowers. Okay, so we will begin like we usually do with a slip knot. If you're a complete beginner, that's okay. Easiest way to make a slip knot: yarn in the palm of your hand, wrap it around 2 fingers, slip it right in that hole. Bam, there you go. Quick and easy. Yarn in on this end, working yarn on this end. Pointer finger resting in between your 2 fingers, finger and thumb here. All right, now we will begin to make our chains. We will go up into this motion. We'll turn our hook to where we're looking at it on its side. See? We will pull through. That makes 1 chain. We'll do it again. Turn it to its side. Pull through. Turn it to its side and pull through. And the faster you get, you will realize you will be twisting that hook no problem. Very fun. Let's see, how many chains do we have? This is our first chain, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. So we have 11 chains. Let's see, say we want 10 trebles. We need 10 plus 3. Okay, so just remember that if you want to make a treble, at the end is always a plus 3. So we have 11, so 12, 13. Okay. Now see where our loop is right here. Actually, it needs to be like that. That is our first chain from our hook. This is our second chain from our hook, third chain from our hook. Let's see. We got 10 plus 3, 13. So yeah. Okay. So we need to go into the 4th chain from our hook. Okay. Now, this is very similar to a double crochet. We will wrap our hook twice. Okay. Let's do that again. Wrap it, wrap it. Okay. In the 4th chain from our hook, we will dip right into that chain. We will go up, turn our hook to where we're looking at its side, and pull that through. Okay. Now we have 4 loops on our chain. Okay. I'm going to go up, turn it to its side, and we're just going to pull through those 2 loops. Okay. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. I'm going to go up again, turn it to its side, and pull through 2. We're almost finished. 2 loops on our hook. We're going to go up, turn it to its side, pull through 2. Congratulations, you just made your first treble. That is it. So we just wrap it around twice like that. Put it right into that chain. Go up. Come down. We got 4 loops. That's good. Go up. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. That easy. Let's do it again. Go up. Go down. 4 loops. Up. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Wrap it again twice. Insert it. See? Fun. It's nice. Let's do it again. Gotta go across that whole chain. When I do it, I'll go 1, 2, 3. That's how I count in my head when I'm crocheting. 1, 2, and 3. That's exactly what I do. 1, 2, and 3. We got one more chain. 1, 2, 3. All right, remove our hook. This helps to hold our place. Look how pretty those are. Tall and pretty. I like it. All right. We need to count our chains. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oops, and 10. There we go. That's exactly what we needed. So we're on the right track. Now prepare for the next row. We need to chain 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Got to make it real big and tall. We're going to do exactly what we normally do. We'll go right through that gap under those 2 bars there, okay? Because those are our chains. So we're going to wrap it twice. We're going to go right in the center. I'm going to go up, bring it out. Got my 4 loops. 1, 2, and 3. Wrap it twice. Go in. 1, 2, and 3. Just like that. It's fun. 1, 2, 3. I know I'm loving it. Can't wait to use this yarn for some spring flowers. Oh boy, it's coming. It is coming. Love spring. Love flowers too. And of course yarn. I love my yarn. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to make so much stuff. Constantly having fun. That's what I like. All right. There we go. There we go. Lots of fun. I hope you practice, 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 practice. It's a lot of fun. Don't miss out on the fun. And I will be seeing you all next time. Y'all have a wonderful night. Thank you. Bye-bye.